have to wait. You know my name. Sunshine and rain. Some things don't change. Thinking about the days we were younger.
So today I picked up a Adams Polishes upholstery and carpet cleaner brush. So this is just a drill attachment. So I'm going to be trying this today on my floor mats. The chemical I'm going to use is Adams Polishes Total Interior Cleaner. You can use any cleaner that you really want. My preference is something that will foam up when you agitate it. And then I just got some Rag Company's just normal all-purpose towels just to clean off any residue. So we're going to start with vacuuming, and then I'll pull the floor mats out, and then I'll put them on the floor, and then I'll clean them from there. So let's get into vacuuming. So now that all the floor mats are all cleaned, I'm going to use the brush now with Adams Polishes Total Interior Cleaner. And let me get started. I'll give you a couple different angles for different floor mats, but let's see how this looks.
For the drill speed, I use medium. This is all a preference and depends on what you would like to use.
So I'm going to wipe this off now. One thing I noticed is this actually didn't foam up like I was planning on it to. So I'm definitely gonna have to get a different chemical for this, but I do like how they look, and you can tell from the brush that now it has a brown tint to it. So the floor mats were definitely dirty. So let's wipe this off now. And as you can see, they do look very, very clean. I did notice that more debris came up as I was using the drill brush, which makes sense, but you might have to vacuum again afterwards, or you can just shake it loose. So this is the one that I completed. Looks good. As you can see, this one looks dull. Looks very dull to me, so I think it definitely looks good. Let me finish the rest of them, and then I'll get back with you guys. So using Adams Polish's carpet cleaner brush worked very good for me today. I'm definitely going to get different chemicals. That's one thing I learned. I'm going to get something that foams a little bit better. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.